Good morning, this is the latest market news. I am Uliana. Australian shares outperformed regional peers Wednesday on lower than expected inflation data. In Sydney, the ASX 200 advanced 1.5% after earlier touching a 5-week high as investors cheered data that signaled easing inflationary pressures. Australia's first quarter consumer price index rose 2.5% on year compared to a 2.8% gain forecast by economists. Japan's Nikkei stock average rose 1.7%, led by gains in exporters on the back of the lower yen versus the greenback overnight. Investors in the region tracked a positive lead from Wall Street Tuesday, where the Dow Jones Industrial Average closed up 1.1%, rebounding after a false read about explosions at the White House briefly sent financial markets varying. In foreign exchange markets, the US dollar was recently at 99.38 against the yen compared with 99.46 late Tuesday in New York. The Australian dollar fell as low as 1.0232 US dollars after the inflation print, as investors think the benign number will give the Reserve Bank of Australia more room to cut interest rates to stimulate growth. The pair was recently at 1.0250 compared with 1.0264 late Tuesday in New York. Today we have Germany IFO sentiment survey. Later we will see some numbers for estimating retail spending in Britain, followed by the March update on new orders for durable goods orders in the US. US durable good orders, 12:30 GMT. New orders for manufactured goods rebounded handsomely in February, easing fears that demand for the industrial sector products was falling off the deep end. But to convince the market that there is more than monthly noise at play, a repeat performance is required. Unfortunately, the odds are considered low for another encouraging release. The consensus forecast sees more red ink in today's March update on durable goods orders, with the headline number slipping 2.8% versus February. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.